구독 잊지 마세요. Thanks for subscribing.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive.
The bad boys.
In Korea, where?
Where from the where are you?
Seoul.
Seoul.
You know the capital city?
My sister was in there.
Sister?
She was doing the.
Who?
My sister. My
Your
cousin.
sister. She went there?
She was the PhD. She was doing PhD.
Really?
Yeah.
She wants to, or she is doing.
No, she was there.
Huh?
She
She
was.
completed
Oh,
the PhD
in Korea?
Yes.
Really? Wow. In what subject?
in chemistry related.
Chemistry?
Yeah.
Wow, she must be smart. So what is she? Is she a professor or working for
No,
company
Currently, she is in India.
here?
I'm not aware about her.
She doesn't know about her current status of her because she does not know about she is doing any academic works or doing any jobs, she doesn't know because she doesn't contact with
you
them.
know her family very well. Like the spokesman of a family. What's the relationship between you? Getting suspicious. I mean, he knows more than like you about your family. What's happening? Huh? Oh la la! This is interesting. So, Catholic and Hindu, something going on.
We do no.
Unofficial couple here. Come on.
Guys.
When are you going to come out?
Everyone's family, because we are all are connected. We are all of know about their family, their families.
Well, no, I don't know about that. But do you know about her family? No.
We all know each other.
Huh?
We all know each
Yeah,
other.
yeah.
Yes.
So how many in your class? How many in your class?
28.
28. So yeah, it's
It's
close.
only one government program in Kerala.
Oh, really? Wow. And how many boys in the class?
Boys 10.
Only 10.
아, 숙명 중이야.
So you must be popular, right?
No, there is
More women,
there is nine
more
other
female
popular
students.
guys than me. 9 other popular guys and
Mine. Oh, he's humble. Humble.
He's a class topper.
Huh?
Class topper. Class topper.
Like the rap, that rap.
No.
He's the leader.
In academic performance, he is the toppest one among our class.
The top
Toppest of the class.
of the class.
no, she.
In terms of oh,
She.
wow.
I
So you're
only
the
actually
top.
in the one semester. Here, she, Elizabeth and Christy doing the continuously 3 semesters in the top of the class.
Slow. Some Indians speak so fast. I mean, it's like
She doing well in continuously 3rd semester. Continuously they are top in
continuously
the class. Top in the class.
top in the class. Oh, the
1.5
top students.
years.
Oh, wow. And they give you a scholarship? No?
From college level, semester wise, we have scholarship.
Scholarship. Yeah, you should study hard. Yeah. I didn't study hard, but she did. So that's how she became doctor. I'm only a writer.
You have MD?
MD.
Yeah, MD. You want to finish your studies as soon as possible, right?
Yes.
And go out and make some money and
Yeah.
get married.
How do you feeling about the Kerala?
How?
How do you
아,
feeling?
캐럴라가 어떠냐고. 캐럴라 is safe
Yeah.
and spacious,
Yo.
clean, very organized, and
You
Friendly people.
friendly people and delicious food.
I've been racing against the clock. Now all I do is chase the sun. I tell myself that I'm growing up.
to. Fuck it. I'm putting it off, see there's still time. The universe gives joy and delight. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. On the weight of the things that I've done. Keep me honest, hold me still. The quiet pulls me in again. On the weight of the things that I've done. And find peace with who I've become.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Pass the paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out? Rest with me. Close the curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me. Take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside. And it's okay to slow the ride. Discover books I forget about.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some.
커피.
아, 그래.
오늘의 여행 문학 한 줄.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. See you again.